princesses do. I love a downpour, and one of very few. Pearl has got her rain boots on, her raincoat so very new, and wears a rainproof backpack, so my things can stay dry too. Pearl's big umbrella is there waiting on its stand, and she goes outside with it ready in her hand. Rain splashes on the castle and splashes in the moat. Pearl jumps in puddles and the water splashes on her coat. Come on, rain, you'll never get me wet. She waits a few more minutes. Still not got me yet. It's raining on the castle and it's raining on Rover. His fur is getting wet. He shakes himself all over. That was fun, says Perla, her umbrella going down. Staying dry was just no fun, says Perla with a frown. Soon the prince and friends have joined the drizzly play. Umbrellas to one side, they all enjoy this rainy day.